Hi again everyone, this is N. Welcome back to our little show, the HMS, or the Homemade Songs. The song that I will share with you today is also an environmental song. It tries to egg us into caring for the environment. Talks about insects, bees, butterflies, and others that are really agents of pollination. Do you know that when we go to grocery stores, we could not pick up items right away. We have to look for baskets or shopping carts before we would start picking up items on or from the shelves. But bees, these are pollinators, correct? Most bees are said to have scopal hairs and pollen baskets to collect pollen. Imagine that. So that's how nature is trying to protect us, because it is said that 1/3 of the human food supply is dependent on pollination by insects. Don't know much about these things, but I really believe it's so. Now, bees and butterflies and birds, they are agents of pollination. What would happen if these agents of pollination are gone? Naturally, the food stock would be very much affected. And in fact, the species of plants that would be affected will also die, because pollination is the process where new plants can be grown, because a flower can become a fruit, and inside that fruit are seeds, and these are the seeds which would become new plants after that. And so we really need to protect the insects, to protect the birds, to protect nature as a whole. Here's our song, When Nature Dies. Alone in the house one day, I went around to see the flowers in the garden, the bees that were buzzing, and the butterflies swinging from stem to stem. I saw birds too, singing in the trees nearby. Then I realized that nature fills my eyes. So why don't we allow them to live happily? To away with our air guns, to away with our slingshots, to away with our penchant to destroy. Why do we shoot the birds and miss their songs and tweets? Why do we net the bees and lose the honey they make? Why do we catch the butterflies for their wings and let them die? Living with them makes life better, you know. Caring for them makes us happier, you'll see. So help maintain the balance of life. We will all go when nature dies. Do away with our air guns, do away with our slingshots, do away with our penchant to destroy. Why do we shoot the birds and miss their songs and tweets? Why do we net the bees and lose the honey they make? Why do we catch the butterflies for their wings and let them die? Living with them makes life better, you know. Caring for them makes us happier, you'll see. So help maintain the balance of life. We will all go when nature dies. Thank you so much. That was our song, When Nature Dies. I hope you guys would start to think about it and take care of our environment. We will be together in that effort. This is An again. For now, may I say bye-bye.